In the Philippines, where the digital world is rapidly evolving, our educators face an unprecedented challenge: teaching students to navigate and critically assess the vast information landscape.
Sa henerasyon natin ngayon, napakalaking epekto ang social media para matuto ang mga mag-aaral.
Maraming bata ang naniniwala sa fake news. So mahalagang dapat maturuan sila kung paano nila malaman at paano nila suriin ang isang impormasyon kung ito ay totoo or hindi.
Subalit, paano nila natitimbang ito lahat? Ito bang impormasyon nila na nakukuha nila ay nababalidate nila?
Malaking tulong kung merong modules na magiging reference ng teachers, no? Ready-made na kumbaga. Basta importante, yung mga modules ay nasuri at ito ay na-validate ng maayos bago gamitin ng mga kabataan at ng mga guro.
But what if there's a way to bridge this gap and empower our educators with the tools they need?
Introducing MyTalino, an all-in-one application designed to hone the media and information literacy skills of students and educators. MyTalino provides teachers with tools that will enhance their ability to educate students on critical media skills. MyTalino will help combat misinformation through real-time detection and correction, and create an interactive learning environment through gamification and personalized learning paths.
Gabay Tech personalizes AI learning and adapts content to individual needs. Gabay presents contextual corrections and educational insights directly within learning modules.
MyTalino also offers a tri-mode interface.
As the central platform, MyTalino bridges the gap using a business-to-consumer model to expand scalability, drive growth, and amplify sustainable impact.
MyTalino is projected to generate its profit from 5 revenue streams, breaking even by 2027. This ambitious forecast is based on a projected user base of 19,960 by 2029.
MyTalino app is structured over a 5-year timeline with strategic milestones to ensure its effectiveness in enhancing media and information literacy.
MyTalino addresses the urgent need for effective media, information, and literacy education in Industry 4.0, combating information and equipping the younger generation with critical thinking.
MyTalino,